Hi, Data from Console Data and Research Center. In our previous class, we have looked at how can we use SQL statement to export data and also import data from different files. In this class, we are going to look at how can we export data and import data by using MySQL Workbench, right? So this is how we're going to do. Right, where am I starting from? I should be starting from here. Let's say I want to export this student details table. This is the table, I'm having it here. So from here I can see insert a new row, delete a row, import stroke export. So here I can have export, so click on export. Let's call it exported. I see I have a few, 3. And then the data type that I can have is like CSV, comma separated, HTML, JSON, XLM, and so on. So we usually prefer CSV, and it is exported 3. I can say now save. It is getting exported to my desktop, so I can go around the desktop and see it is export 3. So we can open and see what we have there. It's taking long to open. Good. So this is exported 3. You can see I have a student ID, first name, last name, age, and gender as I had in MySQL. So great. That is how we export data from MySQL to Excel. Now let's learn how can we import data from a table that we have in Excel or in CSV form actually to MySQL. So for that, I've created a small import table. This table I want it to be a lecturer table. So we have lecturer ID, name, first name, and last name. So let's import this. Control S to save, and this table is at my desktop, so we have it as import data. So go to MySQL, and from here you can have import, and import path we browse, so we can have import data here. That's the file name, and it is comma separated, right? We say next. It is creating the table in college. This is where our table is getting created, and that is, I'm happy with that. And it is import data, student details. So we are not going to use add rows here, but we're going to have it just here, and we can give it a name like lecturer details. All right, and then we say next. It tells us lecturer ID is an integer, first name is a text, last name is a text. So we can also see the preview of what we have. We are okay with that. We say next. We say prepare import, prepare export, prepare import and import data. Say next. It is doing what we want to do, and then we say next, and then we say finish. So under college we are going to have another table that we have just imported, so we can close this and refresh. You can see lecturer details table, which is here, and these are the details that it has. A great progress. We have learned how to insert, update, delete, and also how to export, import, all of this using both SQL statement and MySQL Workbench. What a progress. Congratulations for reaching this far of the course. In our next class, we are going to look at SQL constraints. See you then. Enjoy learning.